Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete images in the Adobe Photoshop Express application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look in the top of your right corner and there you will find three dots. Press on it and here you can just press on delete images and you can just select the images that you want to delete. And when that is done, you can just look in the bottom of your right corner, there you will find the trash can symbol. You can just press on that and after that you can just press on allow and your images are going to be deleted, the ones that you have selected of course. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.